Hi everyone! Welcome to the ultimate guide on taking those jaw-dropping feet pics. If you're dreaming of making your FeetFinder profile a sensation, you've hit the jackpot. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of capturing feet pics that not only look amazing, but also sell like hotcakes. First up, let's get into posing. Here in my sunny bedroom, we're going to try different poses to find what works best. It's about using angles and light to bring out the best in your feet. We'll try pointing our toes, relaxing them, and even playing with shadows to see how that changes the photo. Variety is what makes your pics pop on FeetFinder. So let's have fun and find your best shot. Now, let's set up your FeetFinder profile. Hop onto the site and you'll see how easy it is to get started. Once you're all signed up, the sky's the limit. Take all sorts of pictures, from your feet basking in the sun to stepping out in your favorite heels. Create a stunning collection that will grab everyone's attention. Let's talk about candid shots. These are the photos that show off your feet doing their everyday thing, relaxing on the balcony or chilling in the garden. These are the shots that tell a story. It's all about showing the natural, easygoing side of your feet. So let's grab our camera and capture those simple, beautiful moments. And now for my heel lovers. Heels really change the game. They add a touch of glamour and style to your pictures. We'll check out different heels, from stilettos to ankle boots, and see how they tell a different story in each photo. It's all about finding that right angle to show off those heels. So let's explore and see how they can make your FeetFinder profile absolutely shine. And that's a wrap on our feet pic journey. You now have all the tips you need to make stunning feet pics for FeetFinder. Remember, this is your chance to show off your creativity and earn from it.